Hyperion went through a number of different events. We went to iGaming events, e-commerce events, fintech events. So we talked to many companies, and I would say the hugest challenges iGaming, fintech and other companies are facing are developers. This is always a challenging issue of attracting the best talents, onboarding them and retaining them in your company. Hyperion is very keen on solving this issue for the talents. We have experts on technology sides, we're staff people, we're set up dedicated software people for front end, for back end, for testing. So we cover the full cycle of development.
We keep seeing the same HR problems that are coming across the board, and it's not only happening in Malta, it's also happening in Sweden and in London. So in Malta we already see what you can call a bloodbath of talent wars, which increases the turnover rates to rates that are unreasonable, and the talents are so scarce that you see people are fighting for developers they don't actually want if they had the power to choose. And in Sweden, when we interview some companies, we see clearly that these guys sometimes have to wait for 250 days to recruit one good developer. And we're talking about from the process of starting the scouting process to the time that they have to give a notice, to the time they sit in the chair. And this is very improbable for companies that really have to move forward with their project and can only recruit in such a slow pace. That's why Hyperion is really solving the problem. The streamlined process is allowing us to set up a team of talented developers, even Python, React, Angular, all the frameworks that are needed to drive strong platforms forward in a matter of like 6 to 8 weeks. And this makes the whole difference.
Fintech industry has always been a very close industry in terms of like banking, financial services, payment providers. Companies in fintech sphere, they prefer staying and having their development in-house. Hyperion faced quite a few issues working with payment providers and banking companies, but still we found a solution where with a couple of companies we started with setting up front-end development teams for them, so getting like the less sensitive information, because there is always a bottleneck of finding great resources, retaining them. And so this is where Hyperion found also a way of being helpful with integration solutions, like getting their APIs and integrating them with other products, and setting up front-end guys who can actually work on a less sensitive data. And this actually works very great for Hyperion and for our customers. I would say these are the most challenges the industry is facing right now, but Hyperion is here to help them.